Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here again at Solana. Got a lot of requests for an update on this from my video from earlier today when I was talking about the reason why I feel it's going to break 100 and likely continue. Most of it is based on liquidation. There's a lot of other factors too, but tell you what, man, shorting this coin is idiotic. We take a look at our Discord. We talked about this earlier. I pretty much posted as soon as it hit $100. $100 the early Christmas present. I'll agree with you that. We're also looking at the shorts entering at 105. Those got liquidated too. So we're going to jump into the backend data to see what's going on. Quick little heads up too, in our Premium Plus group, we took some massive profits here from Solana. 22% on this, 36% on that, and then another 36% there. So we actually had two trades open with Solana. Of course, Matic as well there too. But generally speaking, looking pretty good here for some massive scalps for our day trading community. So congrats again to that, and thank you so much for the wonderful feedback. So what we're going to do is just look here really quick at the backend data, see what's going on, and work our way down on the charts. Okay, so simply put, when we looked at it earlier, there was a lot of liquidation at 100. This is this guy right here, 99.86. Okay, I talked about that being a bad idea. Do not short this coin. I'm glad most of my viewers are not shorting. It's funny, I'll get the occasional thumbs down in my video, and those are the ones that are shorting the coin. They probably fast forward to the end where they didn't hear me say that or something. I'm not sure, but it's kind of hilarious and funny. I'm not laughing at you if you got demolished on a short. It's just coins like this are so strong. There's really no reason to short. You're better off taking it long. So we're gonna look at the last 12 hours. This is basically what. Cut that in half, 6 hours of data. We can see a ton of liquidation at 105. There's that extra level. Price wicked up again. Now we got some shorts in at 112. They just keep on coming. So it's interesting to see. But at this point, yeah, 111 to 112 is a small concentration of shorts. Everyone that shorted from 99 to roughly 110 just got demolished here. So we're gonna redraw out our fibs here kind of and just see what this might look like if the price were to continue up or pull back, just to kind of quickly note a few important factors there. Also too, on the daily isn't going to change much. It'll just be extra bullish. So really just still going up as before. We're still overextended from before. There's nothing really has changed here. The 20-day SMA is moving up just a little bit there, but yeah, again, we're not going to focus on the daily because the hourly and the 4 hour is going to tell us a lot more. Mainly here we get this MACD, MACDFU is what I like to call it. But when I was talking about this earlier today, we got this tiny little bounce. I was like, be careful shorting this coin because again, when you have a divergence on the MACD, it doesn't mean that's the reason to take a trade. Okay. Again, some folks will do that. I know big picture 4 hour time frame MACD can be quite strong, but this bounced. You wait for it to fully converge before you take a trade. Okay. And even still, we've confirmed everything is bullish on this coin. There's really no reason to take a short position. Same thing here with our moving averages. They're ascending even stronger than our current trend lines are. Okay. And this trend line I drew out when the 20-day SMA first started. So again, a lot of reasons why we are not in a position for the price action to want to pull back. Furthermore, too, we see here stochastic RSI is just getting started. We have plenty of more room for growth there. While RSI is at 80, we still got money flow index remaining high. Okay, as long as it doesn't drop below 70, we're probably going to be in pretty good shape. Okay, taking a look at TD sequential, we're only 2 4 hour candles in this continuation. So if you look at its history, it can go upwards of a 9 plus 4. It's very common for it to be overextended. So in other words, if we're at a 2, there's a great chance we could see that 13, if you will, right? The 9 plus 4. So again, we are very early in this potential next wave and next phase here. Just know if the price does end up pulling back, we could see some lower levels. Let's look at this on the hourly. This makes a little bit more sense just because it lines up with our newest fibs here. And just kind of get perspective. If there is a short-term pullback, we're looking at 102.5, 100 even, or that 0.618 at about 98. Okay. Again, these are all key levels here. Look right here, 0.382. This guy at 102.5, we had 4 hours of consolidation before the price legged up. Okay, so that's a solid little support level. We have this previous resistance level turn support at $100. Of course, we talked about that. That's the 0.5 level. And of course, 0.618, right there at about 98, we can see the price action right there is bouncing up a little bit higher for that most recent high. So these are all different areas here the price could bounce back. So there's a strong probability the price will not drop below 98. If it does, we'll have a different conversation, but for right now, that's kind of where we're at. Last thing we want to talk about here is just the Ichimoku cloud. This is going to give us all confirming factors to leave our long position open. There is no reason to short this coin. So again, I'm going to probably try to make some kind of meme coin or something like do not short this coin, or some kind of meme rather, where I just kind of keep repeating, do not short this coin, because really it's a terrible idea for the moment, okay? Again, you're better off waiting for the price to pull back and buying at a lower price point than you are to short to that level, because we don't know what's going to hit that level, all right? Just some friendly advice there. Other friendly advice too, make sure you check out our phenomenal exchange that we're partnered with here, Bitunix. No KYC, no VPN. We're transitioning over from, Bitget or BingX. Again, if KYC or VPN is a requirement for you in either of those exchanges, which it is, then look no further. Awesome exchange here. They got some really cool features. You can find all this information on our in our Discord here under promos, or you can go to the Bitunix section, and I have some walkthroughs on setting multiple profit targets, and of course trailing stop losses. Everything is all available for you there. But again, check them out. Make sure you use my links so you can benefit from those rewards. And the last thing I want to summarize with here is that do not short this coin. All right, sorry, I had to. I hope you learned something here today. Comment below if you want to become a better trader, or comment below just in general. You don't have to become a better trader because of that. But if you do want that for yourself, jumping over to, again, cryptocash.tech. I have a trading academy community and signals group where I send out signals, of course. And again, congrats to our community members here on our Premium Plus group. We nailed it with a bunch of nice Solana longs. And of course, in our premium group with our swing trades, we have some OP profits at 85% and ARB at 87%. That was the last 24 hours. We got 4 new swing trades up. I'm confident one of those is going to hit this weekend, just because it's kind of things are starting to kick up again here. So, all right, folks, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow. Greatly appreciate you. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.